In the heart of Salzburg, where baroque spires kiss the sky and the melodies of Mozart still echo through time, there lies a garden elegant, eternal, known as Mirabell. This is Mirabell Garden, a place where emperors dreamed, lovers strolled, and legends bloomed. It was the year 1606. Prince Archbishop Wolf Dietrich von Reitenau, one of Salzburg's most powerful rulers, commissioned this palace and its gardens, not for royalty, but for love. A tribute to his beloved Salome Alt, Mirabell Palace was once called Altstadt, their romantic refuge away from the prying eyes of courtly judgment. But time, like the Salzach River, flows on. With each ruler, the garden was reshaped. The garden's symmetry is no accident. Designed by Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlach and later refined by Franz Anton Dannreiter. Mirabell Garden is a masterpiece of geometric harmony, perfectly aligned with the cathedral and fortress beyond. A living painting of order, myth, and power. In spring, tulips blaze like brushstrokes of fire. In summer, roses whisper secrets through hedged corridors. And always, the distant song of Hohensalzburg fortress crowns the view, a silent sentinel above the garden's quiet grandeur. But Mirabell's story stretches far beyond Hollywood. This is a garden of emperors and emperors-to-be, of love affairs and revolutions, of music born in silence. Mirabell is not just a garden, it is Salzburg's soul sculpted in marble, perfumed with centuries and bathed in golden light. Hohensalzburg Fortress, one of the largest and best-preserved castles in Europe, majestically rises above the city of Salzburg. Its history dates back to the 11th century, when it was first constructed as a medieval fortress. In 1077, Archbishop Gebhard of Salzburg began the construction to protect the city and the archbishopric. Over the centuries, the fortress grew and became a symbol of the power and influence of the Archbishopric of Salzburg. With its impressive towers and walls, it overlooks the city and today offers a spectacular view of the Alps. In the 15th century, the fortress was expanded to meet the latest military needs of the time. Hohensalzburg resisted numerous sieges, especially during the Austrian War of Succession in the 18th century. The fortress was never truly conquered, which speaks to the strength of its defensive structures. In the 19th century, after its military significance ended, parts of it were transformed into a museum. Today, Hohensalzburg Fortress is not only a historical landmark, but also a fascinating museum for visitors from around the world. Its preserved rooms and magnificent architecture offer a unique insight into the history of Salzburg.
We use around 2.5
Visitors can wander through the medieval halls, admire the Golden Hall, and climb the mighty towers. The fortress stands as a testament to the craftsmanship of its builders and the region's importance in the Middle Ages. With its unshakable presence above the city, Hohensalzburg Fortress remains not only a historical monument, but also a symbol of enduring strength. At dusk, when the fortress is bathed in golden light, it serves as a reminder of the power and pride of centuries gone by. We enter the Festungsbahn, the funicular that will take us from the fortress back down to the heart of Salzburg. The ride begins with a smooth, gentle ascent as we leave behind the towering walls of Hohensalzburg. As the funicular picks up speed, we catch our first glimpse of the city below. The descent is steep, but the ride is comfortable as the funicular glides down the mountainside. Soon, we approach the station at the bottom, where the funicular will take us back to the bustling streets of Salzburg. The journey down has been an unforgettable experience, offering breathtaking views of this historic city. As we exit the Festungsbahn, we find ourselves back in the heart of Salzburg, ready to explore even more. The Salzach River runs through Salzburg, shaping the city's history and beauty. In medieval times, this salt trade made Salzburg one of Austria's wealthiest regions. Floods in the 19th century led to the river's regulation and modern embankments. Today, the Salzach divides the old and new town, flowing beneath iconic bridges. Once a trade route, now a symbol of Salzburg's charm, the Salzach River endures. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse of Salzburg. From its historic charm to stunning scenery, it's a city like no other. Come and experience Salzburg for yourself. Until then, auf Wiedersehen.